Have you ever had a device or a touch screen that when you touch an area, it doesn't activate, it almost activates the item right next to it? That's when you need to calibrate your screen. And I do like that you can do this on your own if this ever happens and you don't have to take it into a service center. Let me show you a little trick about this. Go into the settings menu and you'll go to the second tab here, or the second screen, and one of the options says Touch Screen Calibration. Now, once you get into this, the screen is going to go blank and there's going to be a little dot. There'll be a total of 5 dots that you need to touch, and then the screen will realign. Now, I have noticed that if I don't touch it right where I'm supposed to, it makes me start all over. So let's see if I can get it. I'm kind of sitting off to the side. Oh, and I touched the screen. So it says calibration failed, which means I just get to start over until I get it right. So I'm going to touch, and then the next one. And up, I got it. Okay, so all 5 dots need to be touched right in the center, and then now your screen should be calibrated. And now when you touch an area, it should be very easy to activate.